Hello everyone. Need to do the correct answer of this expression. 36 divided by inside the parenthesis 3 times 2 n plus 5 square. Okay, are you ready to do the correct answer of this expression? Okay, in order to get the correct answer of this expression, we have to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. They have equal priority from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Therefore, first parenthesis. Okay, first we have to do this parenthesis 3 times 2 which equals 6. Then here 36 divided by 6 plus 5 square. So next this exponent, because here is a division and addition and exponent. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, exponent comes before this division and this addition. Okay, 5 square means 25. Therefore here 36 divided by 6 plus 25. In this expression there is one division and one addition. According to PEMDAS, division comes before addition. Therefore this division has higher priority. 36 plus 6 which equals 42 plus 25. Okay, 42 plus 25, so let we add 2 plus 5 equals 7, 4 plus 2 which equals 6. Therefore the final answer of this problem is equals to 67. The final answer of this problem is equals to 67. Okay.